Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really good. Welcome back to my channel Encoders, where you will get information related to data science. I am your guide Nitin Kantpal, an aspiring data scientist at Vijay Robotics. In our previous videos, we have got to know what is Python, how to install Python, and we have worked on its IDE. So now let's take our journey to our next stage and learn Python fundamentals. So let's dive into it. Well, so now let's begin our next stage of learning Python, and which is its Python fundamentals. So now let's have an overview on today's topics. First is its introduction, second Python character set, tokens, bare bones of a Python program, variables and assignments, and simple input and output. Introduction. Well, we got a simple introduction, which is IPO. We have heard this word many times in our life, not just in computer aspect but in real life also, that when we input something, then it get processed and then we got output. Just like that, when we input, by input I mean when we eat food in our digestive system, it get digested, we got energy as an output. Just like that, in computer world, IPO cycle is very necessary as it rules computers world. As a user will input data in it, then it will get processed, desired output from it. We will be learning about Python basic elements which a Python program contains. Basic elements like character set, tokens, expression statements, simple input and output, etc. Python character set. Well, character set is a set of valid characters that a language can understand. For example, in English language we got alphabets from A to Z, and from using these alphabets and by using these alphabets we make sentences and communicate with a human. Just like that, to communicate with a computer we need specific character sets, and in that we got character sets made for computer, and in Python and other languages these character sets is mostly same, their just IDs are different. First we got letters A to Z in capital and A to Z in small, then we got digits, special symbols, space, plus, minus, star, backslash, exponent, front slash, then parenthesis, curly bracket, square brackets, white spaces, blank space, which is where we are familiar with, then tab. By using tab button we got 4 spaces, then carriage return, new line. Other characters, well, Python can process all ASCII and Unicode characters. Well, in computer words it is like ASCII are specific characters code, and Unicode is also a character code, and Python can access all those character code in it. For data and literals, now we got tokens. Well, the smallest unit in a program is known as tokens or lexical unit. For example, well, in a sentence we got a smallest thing, like in a sentence we got 5 words, then if I go to the smallest unit I got alphabets, right? Just like that, in Python programs the smallest unit in a code is known as tokens. We got 5 types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. We will discuss about them in details in our upcoming videos. Now moving on to next, we got bare bone of a Python program. Bare bone, or simply we can say backbone of a Python program. These 5 things are a must in a Python program. First we got expressions, statements, comments, functions, and block and indentation. Now we got our variables and assignment. Named labels whose value can be used and processed during program run are called variables. A variable is defined only when you assign some value to it. Well, in simple words, variables are used in Python programs to access some values which we assign, and we can assign different type of values like integer, string, list, tuples, etc. And assigning, we got different methods of assigning which we will know in our future videos. Now the last but not the least topic which we got, simple input and output. Well, in our working in IDE video, we use one of this function which is print function. Print is a output function, as print is used to get desired output, just like we did in our IDE video. Like we used print to get output hello world. Now we got an output function, so it is very common for us to have an input function, as user also have to be interactive with the program, then it will be more playful. Just like that, we got an input function. This word input and parenthesis is a function which is used to get input from user interactively. By the word user interactively, I meant to say that when we use Instagram and we are signing in, then we have to input our name, then password. For that thing, like touching that our username button, then typing our name, this is what we call user interactive, as we are the user and we are interacting with the program to get the desired output. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have got to know what are the Python fundamentals. Well, in the future we will be knowing about them in details. So till then, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and comment if you got any doubt. Till then, we meet again. Peace out.